हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम टू बिफोर एग्जाम। तो आज आम डिस्कसन करवा टीसीएस कंप्यूटर टीसीएस जी एग्जाम कंडक्ट करी एसएससी रेलवे विभिन्न स्टेट एग्जाम से कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन कलेक्शन करके आम आज रिविजन करवा कम टाइम रे केमती अधिका क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करी हबो ताकू फोकस करके 1.5 घंटा भितर आम पाखापाखि 500+ क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा। तो ये क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर सारा पर आमको गोटे आइडिया पड़ा आसो कि हाँ टीसीएस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन कौन रहिबो आरआई रे को चैप्टर रू को भाया क्वेश्चन आछि फंडामेंटल रू को भाया क्वेश्चन आछि वर्ड एक्सेल पावर पॉइंट रू को भाया क्वेश्चन आछि। तो एथरु जाना पड़ जिवो कि लेवलटा ए टाइप रो ही रहिबो एग्जाम रे। तो जो माने चैनल नुआ अछि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और देरी न करी हमर स्टार्ट करी आज रो सेशन। In the field of information and communication technology, what is the full form of FDD? Floppy disk drive. In the context of a digital computer, which of the following pair of digit is referred to as binary code? Binary code kono 0 and 1. In the context of what document, the term gutter stands for? Gutter stands for the space left on one side for stitching and binding. जो साइड को स्टिचिंग बाइंडिंग करा होची सेटा को गटर कहउची, गटर मार्जिन. In the context of internet, which of following is not a protocol? Not a protocol. PPT, not a protocol. Telnet, TCP, transmission control protocol. UDP, UDP कौन full form? User datagram protocol. Telnet तीनटा का protocol. PPT not a protocol. In the context of computer and communication technology, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 किलोबाइट 1024 KB. 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB. In the context of internet, what is full form of a MAN? MAN full form कौन? Metropolitan Area Network. In the context of internet, what is IP stands for? Internet Protocol. In the field of information and technology, what is the full form of ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. An example of an input device, webcam. A region of computer where frequently accessed data can be stored for rapid access is called cache. In computer terminology, what is full form of RAM? Random access memory. In the world of computers, what is Ubuntu? Open source Linux operating system. In the context of cloud computing, what is full form of PaaS? What is the full form of PaaS? Platform as a service. Which of the following is not one of the tool of robotic process automation? Robotic process automation. Not one of the tool. Power center. A database used by Microsoft Windows for storing configuration information. Storing configuration information is known as registry. In the context of IT service, what is full form of a BCP? BCP, Business Continuity Plan. Business Continuity Plan. Who among the following invented the computer language COBOL? Grace Murray Hopper. Second generation of computer can be characterized largely by their use of second generation of computer transistor. यदि फर्स्ट जनरेशन पचारता था वैक्यूम ट्यूब. Who among the following pioneered binary logic and arithmetic in computers program? Claude Shannon. Desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet, smartphone are a different type of microcomputer. Who among the following created the electronic discrete variable automatic computer EDVAC? Full form भी पचारुची electronic discrete variable automatic computer with a memory to hold both a stored program as well as data. किए क्रिएट करथेला जॉन भन न्यूमैन. Which one of the following allow the user to store, organize, calculate and manipulate the available data in a tabular format? Microsoft Excel. Which one of the following is defined as a set of instruction? A set of instruction, data or program used to operate computer and execute specific task. Software. Who among the following is called father of supercomputing? Father of supercomputing. Seymour Cray. In the context of computer, what is the full form of PDF? Portable document format. Which one of the following is not an operating system? आंको भितर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम किए नुह इंटेल गोटे माइक्रोप्रोसेसर. Who developed the operating system Linux? Started and projected by a student of Finland. Linux के डेवलप करथिला Linus Torvalds. In 1991 इयोटा को मन रखो 1991 India's first indigenous supercomputer named तार कोन Param 8000. Param 8000 first supercomputer developed by के डेवलप करथिला विजय भटकर. तीनटा क्वेश्चन एथरे मन रखो. इंडिया फर्स्ट सुपरकम्प्यूटर Param 8000 1991 मसिया रहितला के डेवलप करथिला विजय भटकर. Dash was the network that became the basis for the internet. ARPANET. Which one of the following is an audio tool? आंको भितर किए ऑडियो टूल Ordor. A dash is the main printed circuit board PCB in a computer. ताऊ कौन को होची मदरबोर्ड. एठी ऑप्शन रे नाही ऑप्शन टा कटि जाईची आंसर हबो मदरबोर्ड. Which process refer to starting of a computer and loading of the required part of the operating system into RAM? ताऊ कौन को होची booting. Which one of following is not a output device? Joystick. Dala input device. A screen in a software program that permit user to view several programs at one time is called window. Dash is the smallest unit of data in computer. Smallest unit कौन? Bit. In computing, Dash is a network security system. Network security system that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rule. Network security system किए गोटे firewall. Who among the following invented the World Wide Web WWW in 1989? एटा भी क्वेश्चन पचारिबो 1989. Tim Berners-Lee. Which of the following is not an antivirus software? Linux. Yoda operating system. AIX is the operating system of which company? X is the operating system of IBM. Who was the founder of first search engine called Archie? Alan Imtaz. In a computer, which unit is responsible for processing data and is also called the electronic brain of the computer? CPU, Central Processing Unit. Full form भी पचारुची. The F7 key is commonly used in Microsoft programs such as Microsoft Word, Outlook, etc. for checking spellings and grammar. F7 यूज होची spelling check and grammar check ପାଇଁ. In the field of computing, what does ENIAC stands for? Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. What is full form of PROM? Programmable Read-Only Memory. Which function key display the print preview window in Microsoft Office? Display print preview Control plus F2. In which year did JavaScript programming language come into existence? 1995. JavaScript. Who designed the first analog computer in India? First analog computer. Samarendra Kumar Mitra. In DASD, what is full form of A? DASD ର full form कौन हला? Direct Access Storage Device. Direct Access Storage Device. Which of the following converts analog information into digital form? Digitalizer, digitizer. In context of computing, what is full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Which of following is used to receive and send computer file over telephone line? Modem. Which of following is an input device used to enter motion data into computer or other electronic device? Input device used to enter motion data into computer or other electronic device. Trackball. Which of following is a system designed to transmit information between electronic musical instrument? Between electronic musical instrument. Device ना हला MIDI device. MIDI रो full form पचारुची musical instrument digital interface. Musical instrument digital interface. In the context of computing, a byte is equal to dash bit, 8 bit. Which of following is a type of memory and similar to RAM? Similar to RAM, it is used by computer to move data between RAM and CPU. Between RAM and CPU. Cache memory. Which of the following is very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU? Cache memory. Which of following consists of electronic writing area and special pen that work with it? Graphics tablet. Dash is a small portable flash memory card that plug into computer USB port and function as a portable hard drive. Answer hobo flash drive. Dash is the fastest to read from and write to than the other kind of storage in computer. RAM. Dash is a diagrammatic presentation of a program logic. Flowchart. Which of following symbol must be used before a formula in Microsoft Excel sheet? Equal sign. What is the full form of BASIC in context of basic computer language? Full form of BASIC. Beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. Third generation computer use integrated circuit. First है vacuum tube, second है transistor, third है integrated circuit. Who among the following is co-founder of Twitter? Jack Dorsey. nibble in computer terminology is also called half byte. 1 byte যে কোন 8 bit, 1 nibble যে 4 bit, so 1 nibble half byte. Which shortcut key is used to previewing the page before printing? Previewing the page before printing, Control F2. Which company manufactured the first microprocessor 4004? 4004 first microprocessor किए बार करथिला? Intel Corporation. Python is a high level language. Linux is an operating system. In the context of memory size in computer data storage, 1 gigabyte is equal to how many megabyte? 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. A hard disk is an example of which type of data storage device? Hard disk is secondary storage. Which of following is an input device that utilizes a light sensitive detector to select object on a display screen? Light sensitive detector to select object on a display screen hela light fan. The speed of central processing unit is measured in dash, which represent a CPU cycle, hertz. Which unit of computer is considered as brain of computer? CPU. Which technology do third generation computer use? Third generation कौन use होची? Integrated circuit. In the field of computing, what does VRML stands for? VRML stands for Virtual Reality Markup Language. Which function key is used for opening help? F1. When was WhatsApp incorporated? 2009. In the field of computing, what does VGA stands for? VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. When was Safari first released by Apple? 2003. Which of following device is not used to enter data into computer? तमाने input device पचारची, mouse गोटे input, keyboard, scanner तीनटा को input device, monitor input device नुह. What is shortcut key for central alignment of a line or text in MS Office software? Central alignment, Control E. Which of these is not an operating system? याको भितर operating system किए नुह? SQL. SQL ର full form कौन? Structured Query Language. एटा गोटे language, Structured Query Language. Which of following is an input device of a computer? Input device किए? Scanner. Which of following is not a portable device? Not a portable device. Desktop computer. Transistor belong to which of following generation of computer? Transistor belong to second generation. Which of following is not a soft copy device? Plotter. In the context of computer, WORM is an acronym of WORM. Write once, read many. Who has developed the automatically programmable tool? APT. ये फुल फॉर्म भी मन रखी था हला. APT, automatically programmable tool. किए डेवलप करछि? डगलास टी रोस. 1 petabyte 1024 terabyte. What does HLL stands for in computing? HLL, high level language. The first barcode system was developed by Norman Joseph Woodland. Trackball is which of the following device? Trackball input device. In Microsoft Office 2016, which shortcut key is used to open the design tab? Open design tab. Alt G. Which type of computer is used to control air traffic and radar of national defense? Hybrid computer. The World Wide Web was invented in year 1989. Dash was a web browser developed by National Center for Supercomputing Application. NCSA, National Supercomputing Application. Center for Supercomputing Application. Mosaic. Full form मन रखी था, National Center for Supercomputing Application. How many function key are present on a standard PC keyboard? Function key केतरा अछि? 12टा. Which of following pair is not matched correctly? यांको भितरु मैच कोडा करूनी Control K. Caught selected text नहीं. Control K हला insert hyperlink. A computer on the internet that use HTTP protocol is known as web server. By default, how many worksheets are there in MS Excel workbook 2007? By default केतेटा worksheet अछि? 3टा. Every computer connected to internet must have a IP address. Must have an IP address. Which of following best describe the MS Word software? It is a word processor. Which of following function key can be used to edit a cell of an MS Excel worksheet? F2. In MS Excel workbook must contain at least one workbook. Which of following is not allowed in an email ID? Blank space. What is the keyboard shortcut to select all content of a document in MS Word? Control A. Which of following is not a valid paragraph alignment in MS Word? Top. Left अच्छी, right अच्छी, justify अच्छी, top नहीं, not a valid paragraph. What does the term HTTPS? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. एटा सीजीएल रे पचार थिला, S stands for secure. ओडिशा एसएससी सीजीएल रे पचार थिला, S stand for secure. Which of following feature of MS Excel used to quickly copy and paste content to adjacent cell in the same row or column? Fill handle. Which of following refers to intersection of a column and row in worksheet MS Excel? ता कौन कहउची? Cell. Which of following protocol is used to transfer file from one host to another over the internet? One host to another, FTP, file transfer protocol. Which of following shortcut key is used to paste the clipboard content in MS Word document? Paste the clipboard content in MS Word document. Control V. Which of following is used to identify every computer in the internet? IP address. Which of the following is used to create small letter above a line of text in MS Word? Create small letter above the line of text. Superscript. Which of following shortcut is used to select paragraph in MS Word. Triple click on a paragraph. Which of following is not an email service provider? यांको भितर की email service provider नुह? Coolmail, Yahoo service provider, Hotmail, Gmail. तो आंसर हबो Coolmail. Which of following protocol pushes email message to server? SMTP. SMTP रो फुल फॉर्म हला सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to activate a browser tab to right of the current tab in Chrome browser? Control plus page down. Which of following keyboard shortcut can be used to indent paragraph in MS Word document? Control M. When you open a new workbook in MS Excel, which of the following appear on the topmost portion of the screen? Title bar. In MS Word, which of the following keyboard shortcut should be used to align a paragraph in the center? Control E. Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to add a bookmark of page currently open in a Chrome browser? Add a bookmark. Control D. What is the default horizontal alignment of text in the cell of MS Excel worksheet? So text uda kon left align. When you send an email, which of the following fields should contain your email address? From. TCP/IP is the most popular internet protocol. What is the full form of TCP? Transmission Control Protocol. What is the keyboard shortcut to cut selected text in MS Word? To cut selected text in MS Word, Control X. Which of following appear at the top of worksheet in MS Excel? Top रे की अछि formula bar. Which of following key is used to select a range of a continuous cell in MS Excel worksheet? Shift. POP is an email related protocol. What is full form of POP? Post Office Protocol. Home page is the dash page of a website. First page. Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to move through each of the open tab? Go to the right in Chrome browser. Control plus tab. Which of following view option in MS Word show the content of a document as bulleted point? Outline. Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to activate a browser tab to the left of the current tab in Chrome browser? Control page up. In MS Excel, the zoom option appear in the status bar. Which of following keyboard shortcut can be used to insert a hyperlink in an MS Word document? Insert a hyperlink, Control K. Which of following protocol pull message from the email server? POP, Post Office Protocol. Which of following display both the name of application and the name of the spreadsheet in MS Excel? Title bar. Which of following is not a character formatting option in MS Word? Font style, font size, alignment nahi. Which of following is not a search engine? याको भितर search engine किए Safari. एटा गोटे web browser. Which of following can be used to change the width of column in a table in MS Word? Width of the column. Table properties. Which of following is full form of CC, a field of a email header? CC है कौन? कार्बन कॉपी. Which of following shortcut is used to select a sentence in a paragraph in MS Word? Control plus click on a sentence to select it. Under which of the following menu tab are page setup option usually available in MS Word 2007? Page setup option कोठी अछि? Page layout रे. Which of following is a central location of various related web pages? Central location of various related website. Which of following comprise the second part of an email address? Second part of email address, domain name. Which of following is a shortcut key to close a document in MS Word? Control W. Which of following shortcut is used to move cursor one word right while editing a data in a cell in MS Excel? One word right. Control plus right arrow. Which of following is a method of accessing fixed internet from home or office? Digital subscriber line. Electronic mail belong to which of following service on internet? Electronic mail, communication service. Which of following option is used to view the page or make adjustment before any document get printed in MS Word? Print preview. Which of following function return the current date and time? Data को date and time in MS Excel. Now यदि खाली date पचार था ताहले today था. Which of following refer to specific address associated with each web page display on the internet? URL. With reference to text formatting, italic option belong to which of following category in MS Word? Font style. Which of following shortcut key is used to cut data from a cell in MS Excel? Control X. Which of following show the address of current selection or active cell in MS Excel? Current selection, name box. Which of following option in MS Word is used to color the background behind the selected text or paragraph? Shading. Which of following is full form of a BCC? Blind carbon copy. Which of following tool can be used to apply the font color and size of a text to multiple piece of text in Word document? Apply font color, size of a text to multiple piece of a text in MS Word. Format Painter. Which of following characteristics must be part of an email ID? @. Which of following is not a word processing software? MS Excel. A collection of related web page is called website. In an MS Excel worksheet, the zoom bar appear at the dash portion of the worksheet, bottom right. What does the term URL mean? Uniform Resource Locator. Which of following step can be performed to edit the content of a cell in MS Excel worksheet? Can perform edit the content of MS Excel worksheet. Double click on the cell. What is keyboard shortcut to open a new document in MS Word? Control N. What is the maximum height of a row in MS Excel 2010? Maximum height कितने? 409 point. Pick the odd one out. इंटरनेट सफारी मोजिला एगुड़ा सब कौन वेब ब्राउजर फाइल एक्सप्लोरर टा कौन ना फाइल मैनेजर एप्लिकेशन गोटे फाइल एक्सप्लोरर Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to run spelling and grammar check in MS Word 2010 F7 Which of following keyboard shortcut is used for closing MS Word 2010 document Control W The option of spell check can be selected from the dash tab in MS Excel 2007 Review tab. In MS Word, Control R is used to align the text to the right. Control R. Which of following keyboard shortcut open the find and replace? Find and replace Control H. All the Excel functions are stored in dash under Formula tab. Function library. The dash provides high-speed internet access. Broadband. With respect to internet, what is full form of FTP? File Transfer Protocol. What is minimum number of column that a table in MS Word can have? Minimum number of table. Minimum number of column that a table in MS Word. Minimum number of column kate gote. Which of following component of MS Excel worksheet display the content of a selected cell? Formula bar. Which of following store the cut or copy text in MS Word? Clipboard. Which of following button cannot be found in clipboard pen in MS Word 2010? Okay. Which of following is mandatory for sending an email? Mandatory कौन? Sender mail ID. When you right click and select the format cell option in MS Excel 2010, which of following tab not visible? Sheet. Which of following tab is used to enable ruler option in MS Word 2010? View. The electronic page seen on the internet are known as web page. What is the maximum number of row in MS Excel 2010 worksheet? Maximum number of row केतेटा 10,48,576 डाटा को मन रखो पूरा. What do you call the distance between written text and the edge of a paper? Margin. Which of following is used to change the text color in MS Word document? Change text color. Font color. Which of following option can be used to change the column width of a table in MS Word? Ruler. In an MS Excel sheet, a cell array is composed of the cell, column and row. Which of following icon is used to add an attachment to an email? Paper clip icon. Which of following is the slowest type of internet service? Dial-up. Dash was the first web browser to implement the Omnibox. Google Chrome. Which of following is used to move an active cell to first column on the current row? Home. जदि कंट्रोल प्लस होम मार थांते ताले कोन हेतांता एठी जदि होम मारिबा कोन होबो सेल द फर्स्ट कॉलम ऑन द करंट रो जदि कंट्रोल होम मार थांते ताले डॉक्यूमेंट रो फर्स्ट रो को पळे थांता एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम को पळे थांता फर्स्ट रो आ कॉलम रो जोटा फर्स्ट सेल अछि Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to insert a hyperlink in MS Word 2007 document? Control K. Dash is not a valid option of Office button in MS Word 2007 presentation. Many email systems use dash protocol to send message from one server to another server. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Which of following function is used to display only current system date? Current system date in MS Excel 2010 today. Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to open paste special dialog box? Control Alt V. Dash is an information space on internet where document and other resources are stored. World Wide Web. What is the full form of TCP/IP? Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. By default, how many sheets are provided in MS Excel 2010 workbook? 3 sheets. What is the purpose of keyboard shortcut Shift F3 in MS Word 2010? This shortcut switches the text between uppercase and lowercase and title case. Which of following keyboard shortcut is used to strike through the content of a cell in MS Excel 2010? Control 5. The development of World Wide Web began in 1989. Which of following is a worldwide system of computer network, Internet? Under which tab is the watermark button available in MS Word 2016? Design tab. Which of following option cannot be found within the editing group of the home menu in MS Word 2007? Cannot be found. Text. Which of the following type of internet service does not require cable or phone line? Satellite. By default, an MS Word 2007 document open in dash view, print layout view. Which of following keyboard shortcut option the save as option in MS Word? F12. Which file format is used for saving MS PowerPoint template? को फाइल फॉर्मेट यूज होची .potx जदि नॉर्मल पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन पचार था pptx. What happen when you press Ctrl S while working on a document? Ctrl S कौन save the current document. Save the current document. In Windows OS, which of the following action will permanently delete a file without sending to it recycle bin? तो permanent delete पे कौन shift delete. Which version of Windows introduced the start menu? तो को version रे introduce होइतिला start menu? Windows 95. What is the primary purpose of .ppsx? ppsx file format in MS PowerPoint. तो primary purpose कौन? To save the presentation in a format that open directly in slideshow. slideshow mode रे on होबो .ppsx. In PowerPoint 2019, when you press the enter key while typing in a text box, what happened? The cursor moved to the next line with the same text box. Which of the following statement best describe the role of RAM and ROM in a computer system? A question ta repeat heichi hela. ROM is used to store system firmware while RAM store temporary data for active process. Question ta repeat heichi. What is the main advantage of saving an MS PowerPoint presentation as .pdf file? मेन एडवांटेज कौन, इट रिड्यूस्ड फाइल साइज एंड प्रिवेंट अनवांटेड एडिटिंग, फाइल साइज को रिड्यूस करिवो, प्रिवेंट अनवांटेड एडिटिंग। Which characteristics of the CPU determine how many instruction it can process per second? How many instruction it can process per second? तो कौन कहूँ clock speed. The characteristics of the CPU determine how many instruction it can process per second. Clock speed. Which element on the Windows 11 desktop allow you to quickly access multiple open windows and virtual desktop? Which element? Task view. Which of following is an example of an input device that allow user to interact with a computer by typing text? Answer अब कौन, keyboard. In application with multiple tab like browser or MS Word, what does control tab do? Control tab do, repeat hela question hela, switch to the next tab, switches to the next tab. Which feature in MS PowerPoint 2019 allow you to reuse slide from another presentation without copying content manually? Co feature, reuse slide under home tab, under the home tab. What is the purpose of find and replace feature? एटा shortcut भी पचारुची control H in MS Word 2019. The purpose कौन, to search for specific text and replace it with other text. Control H, find and replace. When saving an MS PowerPoint presentation, which of following option would be most suitable if a primary goal is to ensure the presentation open in slideshow view by default for recipients who may not have MS PowerPoint installed? खाली स्लाइड शो देखिया पाई कोन ना PowerPoint show .ppsx एटा क्वेश्चन पचरा हेतला पूर्व शिफ्ट रे. What is the primary advantage of using a virtual file system? VFS, virtual file system. तो primary advantage कौन ताकू यूज करिवार, to provide a consistent interface for application to access different file system, to access different file system. Consider a scenario where a user is interacting with a graphical application. Which component of computer system is primarily responsible for rendering the visual element display on the monitor? तो किए responsible, graphical processing unit. Which feature in Windows allow you to recover file that were accidentally deleted? Recycle bin. In modern motherboard, which component is directly connected to the CPU to facilitate high speed communication? तो high speed communication पाई directly connect होची PC सहित कोन, North Bridge. Which of the following keyboard shortcut key used to insert a new slide in PowerPoint 2019? Insert a new slide. आंसर हम कंट्रोल एम. जदि पचार था न्यू प्रेजेंटेशन इनसर्ट करने पाई सेठी कंट्रोल एन ही था, जेहेतु इनसर्ट ए न्यू स्लाइड पचार कंट्रोल एम पूरा वेरी इंपोर्टेंट, एटा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन. Which of following component are not a part of the central processing unit, not a part of CPU? देखो part of CPU arithmetic logic unit, control unit, register. कि होबनी, ग्राफिक्स कार्ड, ये नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ सीपीयू. ग्राफिक्स कार्ड. In MS Word 2019, which of the following feature can you use to change the page orientation of your document? Can you use to change the page orientation of your document? So page layout orientation. Which shortcut key combination is used to insert a hyperlink in MS PowerPoint 365? Insert a hyperlink. Control K. In MS Word 365, which feature allow user to set specific spacing before and after paragraph to control the vertical space between paragraph and improve document readability? Paragraph spacing. Which keyboard shortcut open the Windows 11 operating system setting menu to change system setting? To change system setting, Windows key plus I. In MS PowerPoint, which of the following key must be pressed to start a new line while typing inside a text box? Enter key. What happen if you delete a file from USB flash drive? যদি কোনসি প্রকার USB flash drive ରୁ ଆମର file delete କରାଯାଏ ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ? It is permanently deleted immediately. ये recycle bin को ଯିବନି ହେଲା, direct delete ହେଇଯିବ. What is a good way to keep your file organized on a computer? Good way to your file organized on a computer. Use separate folder for a different type of file. Separate folder use କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. Which of following is the keyboard shortcut to save an MS Excel workbook? To save an MS Excel workbook, Control S. Which of following action is performed when Control V shortcut is used in most computer applications? So Control V कौन पाई यूज होची ना paste the copy or cut content. Paste the copy or cut content. Which characteristics of CPU determine how many instructions it can process per second? How many instructions it can process per second? Clock speed. Which of the following is an incorrect statement about cache memory? Incorrect कोटा. A cache memory is a form of secondary storage. ये आसुची primary storage under रे. If you want your audience to not see your note in MS PowerPoint 365 slides, which view should you use during slideshow? Not see your note. Presenter view. Where do deleted file go by default in Windows operating system? The recycle bin. In an MS Excel spreadsheet, what does the cell address B5 represent? B5 represent column B and row 5. In MS Excel, which feature ensure that only a specified portion of the spreadsheet is printed? Specified portion. Print area. What is the full form of CD? Full form of CD commonly used in storage device. Compact disc. CMOS, often associated with storing system configuration, stands for CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. तो semiconductor मन रखो जोटा कि storage system रे यूज होची. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Which of following abbreviation represent a volatile memory technology commonly used for the primary working memory in personal computer? Primarily working memory in personal computer. DRAM. Dynamic RAM. What is the significance of pipelining in CPU architecture? Execute multiple instructions simultaneously by overlapping stages. With reference to computing, what does ASCII stands for? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which of the following is the main purpose of using Control S? Control S or main purpose कौन? To save the current changes made to the file. To save the current changes made to the file. Which shortcut key is used to create new blank presentation quickly in MS PowerPoint 365? Create new blank presentation. Control N. In MS Excel 2019, what is the primary purpose of a print preview feature? Print preview feature. Print preview feature कौन? To view how the sheet will look when printed. How the sheet will look when printed. Which of the following is the function Control plus Shift plus V? Control plus Shift plus V in certain application like Google Doc or web browser. Control Shift V. Paste content without any formatting. Which sequence of steps correctly initiate a blank presentation in MS PowerPoint 2016 or later? Correct sequence. File, new, blank presentation. Which of the following method is used to create a new folder in Windows 11 OS from desktop? Right click, select new folder. What is the primary purpose of formula bar? Primary purpose of formula bar in MS Excel to display and edit the content of a cell. Which of following key combination is primarily used to access the file menu in most legacy and standard Windows application? To access the file menu, Alt F. Which of following action will create a new folder on Windows desktop? On a Windows desktop, right click on the desktop and selecting new folder. What does PCB stand for in electric circuit? PCB stands for in electric circuit. Printed circuit board. Which feature allow you to create a multi-level numbered list that is 1.1, 1.2 in MS Word 2019? Define new multi-level list. Which desktop element in Windows OS allow user to restore delete file and folder? Recycle bin. What is the proper way to print a spreadsheet in MS Excel? Click on the File tab and choose Print. What is the default name given to a folder on Windows system? Default name, new folder. What is the correct method to save a new workbook in MS Excel? The correct method कौन? Click the File tab and choose Save As. In Windows 11, why might you receive an access denied error when trying to rename a file? Access is denied. The file ownership has changed. What is the keyboard shortcut to remove paragraph indentation in MS Word 365? Remove paragraph indentation. Control Shift plus M. Which of following statement is true regarding ASCII LAN CD in computer technology? True. The ASCII represent character using numeric code in binary. जदि CD is a rewritable magnetic storage medium, ये wrong अछि. LAN refers to a wide geographical area network, so local area network. The correct answer ASCII represent character using numeric code in binary. Which of following statement about a printed circuit board PCB is incorrect? The PCB serve only desktop computer and not portable device. ये incorrect अछि. What does PCB stands for in electronics? PCB, printed circuit board. Which keyboard shortcut is used to copy selected text? Copy selected text, Ctrl C. Which of following method is the simplest way to rename a file or folder in Windows? Simplest way, rename a file or folder. Right click the file folder, select rename. What is the function of a keyboard shortcut Ctrl F? Ctrl F. It open a search or find feature to locate text or item in file, web page or application. With reference to computer system, what does CPU stands for? Central Processing Unit. Which of following condition will prevent a file from being renamed in Windows-based operating system? A file from being renamed in Windows-based operating system. The file is currently open in another application. What is the purpose of the autofill feature in MS Excel 365? Autofill feature in MS 365. To copy cell content or content F continue a pattern. To copy cell content or continue a pattern. Autofill feature kamo. Which type of cell reference in MS Excel modifies both the column letter and row number automatically when a number is copied to another location? Which type of cell reference? Relative cell reference. Which keyboard shortcut is used to save an MS PowerPoint presentation quickly? Save an MS PowerPoint presentation, Ctrl S. Which component of Windows OS allow user to modify system setting? Modify system settings such as display resolution, sound preference, and sound performance, and user account. Control panel. In the context of a computer hardware component, what is the primary function of ROM? Primary function of ROM. It holds essential firmware required for booting the system. Which of following method is the quickest way to open an existing MS PowerPoint presentation? Quickest way to open. Double click the PPTX file in File Explorer. Which of following option in PowerPoint allow you to see all the slide at once as a thumbnail? See all the slide at once as thumbnail, slide sorter view. What is the main function of MS PowerPoint? The main function creating and presenting slideshow. Which keyboard shortcut is typically used to paste copied content? Paste copied content, Ctrl V. In MS PowerPoint, which of the following keyboard combination is used to create a new blank presentation? Ctrl N. What happens when you press enter while working with a bullet or numbered list in MS Word? What happens when you press enter? It creates a new list item with the same bullet or number. What is the default file format for saving workbook in newer version of MS Excel, that is Excel 2019? फाइल फॉर्मेट कौन .xlsx where are file and folder typically stored in a computer file and folder hard drive which method allow you to create a new text file inside a specific folder in windows open the folder and right click new text document in Windows 11 OS which command interpreter help to manage computer drive disk partition volume or virtual hard disks answer hobo disk part when you use slide from another presentation in MS PowerPoint 365 which of following option ensure the imported slide retain their original format option click keep source uh, keep source formatting in the reuse slide pane. What is the purpose of print preview in MS Excel 365? To check how the spreadsheet will appear, paper and adjust layout formatting. What is the significance of PowerPoint protected view? Protected view while opening a downloaded file. It opens the file in read-only mode, disable most editing feature. What happens if you start a new blank presentation while another presentation is already open in MS PowerPoint? What happens? A new MS PowerPoint window open with blank presentation. When saving an MS PowerPoint presentation, what is the primary purpose of the save as picture presentation? Save as picture presentation option to prevent any future editing of the presentation content. What happens if user try to open an MS Excel file created in a new version that is Excel 2021 in an older version that is Excel 2010? The file will open compatibility mode with limited functionality. What is the main purpose of a tab key on a standard keyboard? Main purpose of a tab key to shift the cursor to the next field or tab position. What happens when you press Ctrl M in MS PowerPoint 365? Ctrl M. A new slide is inserted with the same layout as previous slide. देखो एमती सिंबल रो भी क्वेश्चन पचारुछि इन द MS PowerPoint 2019 इंटरफेस which of following icon should you click to save as to current presentation quickly? को आइकन टा अछि देखो Which of the following number is used to represent the ASCII value of the uppercase letter B? Which of the following number is used? Uppercase by 66. Which of the following device process the data in the computer system? CPU. Which type of memory is non-volatile and used to store essential system instruction in a computer? Non-volatile के ROM. RAM जो RAM टा कौन volatile, ROM टा हला non-volatile. In Microsoft PowerPoint, which view is best suited for recognizing slide and getting an overview of the entire presentation structure? Entire presentation structure, slide sorter view. Which of following method is the easiest way to sort file by name in File Explorer in Windows 11 OS? Right click, select group by name. Which keyboard shortcut is used in MS PowerPoint 365 to start editing text inside a selected shape or text box? Start editing text inside a selected shape or text box. F2. What is the primary purpose of a virtual memory? virtually memory primary purpose है to extend RAM capacity by using disk space to extend RAM capacity. Which of following is an example of operating system? Example of operating system commonly used on desktop computer. And answer है कौन? Windows 10. Windows 10 गोटे operating system. एमान सब operating system नुह. When navigating through option in a dialog box or menu using the keyboard, what is the primary function of tab key? Tab key रो primary function कौन? To move the focus to next available option or control. To move the focus to the next. Tab key रो function है to move the focus to the next available option or control. What is the purpose of a slide master in MS PowerPoint? Slide master purpose कौन? To apply consistent formatting, font and layout. To apply consistent formatting, font, layout. से delete करिवनी, to insert, to export नहीं. To apply consistent formatting, font and layout. What is the primary function of CPU? Primary function of CPU. तार primary function कौन? Execute instruction and process data. CPU रो काम होला execute instruction and process data. Which of following best encapsulates the role of an operating system kernel? So the role of an operating system कौन? ना acting as core interface between application and system hardware. Application and system hardware. What is the primary function of an operating system in a laptop? So primary function कौन? To manage hardware and software resource. What is the main purpose of cache memory in a computer? तो cache memory रो main purpose कौन? To store frequently accessed data for quick retrieval. What is the function of Alt F2 in Linux GNOME desktop environment? So function of Alt F2 कौन? ना open the run command dialog box. Open run command dialog box. What happens when you press the delete key after selecting a file in File Explorer in Windows operating system? जेतले डिलीट करा होची कोन होची ना द फाइल इज सेंट टू रिसाइकल बिन. द फाइल इज सेंट टू रिसाइकल बिन. What type of memory is used to store data temporarily while a computer is running? Store data temporarily. Answer होबो कोन? RAM. How many unique character can be represented using the standard ASCII? ASCII रो फुल फॉर्म कौन? अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. तो यूनिक कैरेक्टर तार केतेटा? 128. What is the fundamental difference between a cold boot and warm boot of a computer system? तो cold boot कौन? warm boot कौन? देखो a cool boot restart the operating system from power off state while a warm boot restart it from a running state. तो कूल बूट कौन होची? रिस्टार्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फ्रॉम ए पावर ऑफ स्टेट. जेते पावर ऑफ है कि ऑन हबो सेही बूटिंग टा कौन कहबो ना कोल्ड बूटिंग. जेते बेले सिस्टम रनिंग थिबो सेठी जो रिस्टार्ट हबो सेटा कौन कहबो ना वार्म बूटिंग. तो दुटा को मन रखो. सिंगल क्वेश्चन पचारछि एठी कंबाइन करी पचार देछि. What happen if you try to open a MS PowerPoint presentation created in a newer version, that is MS PowerPoint 2021 in an older version MS PowerPoint 2010? तो difference कौन अछि ना the file will open compatibility mode with limited feature हैला. limited feature. Which of the following is the correct way to start a new blank presentation in MS PowerPoint? New blank presentation in MS PowerPoint. Control N. What is the primary purpose of American Standard Code for Information Interchange? Full form पचारुची ASCII डबल आई रो फुल फॉर्म कौन अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज तो यार प्राइमरी पर्पज कौन टू डिफाइन ए स्टैंडर्डाइज सेट ऑफ कोड फॉर रिप्रेजेंटिंग टेक्स्ट एंड कंट्रोल कैरेक्टर दीटा वर्ड मन रख रिप्रेजेंटिंग टेक्स्ट एंड कंट्रोल कैरेक्टर which command in Windows 10 CMD will delete all log file in the correct directory without asking for confirmation को command टा ना delete star log /q which of the following character is not allowed in a file name when renaming in Windows not allowed in file name तो को character टा allow होने question mark what is the difference between dragging text with mouse left click so mouse left click and control plus dragging text in MS Word 365 तो माउस लेफ्ट की क्लिक करी कि कोन कले हबो ना कंट्रोल प्लस ड्रैगिंग कले कोन हबो लेफ्ट क्लिक जदी करिवा ताहले ड्रैगिंग मूव द टेक्स्ट कंट्रोल जदी करिवा कंट्रोल प्लस ड्रैगिंग ता हबो कोन ना कॉपी इट माउस कले मूव हबो कंट्रोल करी कले कॉपी हबो when using replace function control h eta bi shortcut pacharji hela replace function control h in MS PowerPoint which of the following option allow user to replace only whole word and not part of the word replace whole word and not part of the word so find whole word only in multitasking operating system what role does RAM primarily play when multiple applications are open simultaneously तो primary role कौन रहउची RAM रो to temporarily hold active program data and instruction to enable between tasks to temporarily hold active program data and instruction to enable between tasks what is the purpose of alt plus tab on keyboard of a computer system alt plus tab switch between open application how do you add text to a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint add text to slide तो first कौन करिया पड़ो click inside a text placeholder and start typing तो first placeholder उठाने पड़ो and start typing which keyboard shortcut key used to save MS Excel workbook used to save Control S which keyboard shortcut key permanently delete a file without sending it to recycle bin तो delete permanent जदि normal delete करा हबो recycle bin को पळेबो जदि shift plus delete करा हबो direct permanent delete हे जो shift plus delete in modern CPU what technique is used to execute multiple instructions simultaneously in modern CPU what technique is used to execute multiple instructions तो आंसर हबो pipelining what are the wavelength and type of laser what are the wavelength and type of laser used in standard CD-ROM तो CD-ROM रे wavelength केते यूज होची आ को रे लेजर टा यूज होची तो 780 नैनोमीटर एनएम 780 नैनोमीटर इंफ्रारेड लेजर तो एटा को मन रखिया पड़िबो what is the primary function of alt plus tab in most modern operating system alt tab पूर्व राम करथिले स्विच बिटवीन ओपन एप्लीकेशन एबे रिसेंट करा हिची what is the purpose of creating subfolder when organizing a file तो subfolder purpose कौन to group related file together for better management so better management ପାଇଁ ही subfolder करा हुए folder भितर folder Which of following method is the quickest way to open an existing MS Excel spreadsheet? Quickest way. Double click the Excel file in File Explorer. Double click करिया पड़ियो. Quickest way है. In MS PowerPoint 2019, which of the following tab must you first select to access the open option for loading a saved PowerPoint file? To access the open option for loading a saved PowerPoint file, the file tab. To select file tab. Which of the following statement is correct? ASCII represents character as numerical code. ASCII ର full form कोन American Standard Code for Information Interchange एटा को मन रखिथाओ केतेली भी एग्जाम रे पचारुची ASCII तार काम कोन इट रिप्रेजेंट कैरेक्टर एज न्यूमेरिकल कोड पूर्व भी एटा क्वेश्चन पढी सारिची आपरे In MS Word 365 what is the shortcut to remove manual character control space bar worksheet रे भी यूज होची MS Excel रे कोन पाई ना hide entire column ना select entire column control plus space bar Excel रे यूज होची ना select entire column आ गोटे MS Excel रे यूज होची control plus 0 entire hide entire column control plus 0 होची hide entire column आउट control plus space bar होची select entire column ठीक अछि select entire column hide entire column control plus space bar हला select entire column control plus 0 हला hide entire column दीटा important question which of following component is not a part of CPU तो CPU कंटेंट कोन कंट्रोल यूनिट अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट कैच मेमोरी ए तीनटा CPU कंटेंट करछि किंतु हार्ड डिस्क CPU रे नाही हैला नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ CPU हार्ड डिस्क टा एक्स्ट्रा लगाया पडुछि नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ CPU which feature in Windows allow you to create shortcut to frequently used folder for erase access frequently used folder for erase access तो quick access आंसर हबो quick access if you want to save a workbook in MS Excel so that only viewing is allowed खाली view allow करी हबो and edit is restricted which feature should you use तो को फीचर टा यूज करिवो जने खाली view करि परिबो किंतु कोनोसी प्रकार एडिट करि परिबो तो read only mode तुमको accept करिया पड़ो read only mode access करिया पड़ो which Windows OS tool is used to change the system date and time change the system date and time तो को टूल टा यूज करिया पड़ो control panel which keyboard shortcut open the print dialog box in MS Excel control P print dialog box open print dialog box कोन control P which tab in MS Word 365 contain option to change page margin orientation and size page margin orientation and size answer हबो layout what happen if a user try to rename a file to the same name as an existing file in the same folder जदि same name आउथ लिखे पय चाहूची कोन होउची ना विंडो डिस्प्ले एन एरर डिस्प्ले शो करिवो ए फाइल with this name already exist बोली लिखा हबो which of the following best describe the gutter margin कोन gutter margin ता कोन in MS Word रे तो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस added for document binding तो बाइंडिंग पे जो स्पेस दिया होची ता कोन कहउची ना gutter margin which of the following is the correct way to add a new slide in MS PowerPoint 2019 presentation तो गो टू होम टैब फास्ट जीवो क्लिक न्यू स्लाइड व्हिच फंक्शन की कैन बी यूज्ड विथ अल्ट टू क्लोज द करंट एप्लिकेशन इन वर्ड एप्लिकेशन अल्ट सहित कौन यूज करा हबो करंट एप्लिकेशन को क्लोज करिया पय अल्ट प्लस F4 if you move text using cut and paste where does the text go before being pasted in MS Office to the clipboard what is the shortcut to open an MS PowerPoint file direct from the application open an MS PowerPoint file direct from the application Ctrl O What does setting a page break in MS Excel 365 allow you to control? What does setting a page break in MS Excel 365 allow you to control? Where the worksheet split across the printed page. Which shortcut open File Explorer in Windows 11 operating system? File Explorer in Windows 11 operating system. Windows key plus E. File Explorer in Windows 11. What is the standard method to save your work in PowerPoint? So standard method कौन? Use the File tab and select Save or press Ctrl S. दीटा को कोड़ा कले भी फाइल सेव हो जो. What happen when you use Format Painter? Format Painter tool in MS Word तो तार काम कौन ना इट कॉपी फॉर्मेटिंग दैट इज फॉन्ट एंड कलर फ्रॉम वन पीस टू टेक्स्ट टू अनदर वन पीस ऑफ टेक्स्ट टू अनदर व्हिच कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट की इज यूज्ड टू मेक द सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट बोल्ड इन MS Word 365 सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट बोल्ड Ctrl B What is the main purpose of the taskbar in Windows desktop interface? So main purpose कौन taskbar रो? It provide access to open and frequently used program. Which of following statement about RAM and ROM with reference to computer memory is correct? RAM and ROM. RAM is temporarily store data for active program while ROM is permanently store फ्रेमवेयर है रैम टा है कौन टेम्पररी स्टोर रोम टा है परमानेंट स्टोर दुटा मन रख व्हिच एलिमेंट ऑफ MS Excel इंटरफेस डिस्प्ले द नेम ऑफ द करेंटली एक्टिव सेल और द सिलेक्टेड रेंज ऑफ सेल तो डिस्प्ले कौन करिवो करेंट एक्टिव सेल और द सिलेक्टेड नेम ऑफ द सेल तो तना कौन नेम बॉक्स F5 in MS PowerPoint F5 in MS PowerPoint start the slide show from the beginning तो beginning रू start होगा पाई F5 आउ गुड़ा क्वेश्चन अच्छी ना current slide रू start होगा current slide रू start होगा पाई shift plus F5 है ला current slide खाली F5 है ले beginning रू start होगा which of following statement about primary and secondary memory is correct तो प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी भितर कौन डिफरेंस अच्छी प्राइमरी मेमोरी इज फास्टर बट लोअर स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी व्हाइल द सेकेंडरी मेमोरी इज स्लोअर बट प्रोवाइड लार्ज स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ता उल्टाटा है प्राइमरी रो उल्टाटा है सेकेंडरी मेमोरी इन MS Word 2019 if you want to select entire paragraph quickly which of the following actions should you perform तो entire paragraph quickly जदि करिया पय कोन हबो ना ट्रिपल क्लिक ऑन एनी वर्ड विदिन द पैराग्राफ ट्रिपल क्लिक करिया पड़ियो कोनसी भी वर्ड जदि ट्रिपल क्लिक करा हबो ताहले एंटायर पैराग्राफ टा सिलेक्ट हो जियो इन Windows XP which component provide a graphical interface for user to open and access software program and application आंसर अब कौन स्टार्ट मेनू